Hello everyone, I'm very hungover in this scene over here, but we are here to try their KL Hokkien Mee.
KL Tai Lok Mee. Can you see the smoke? Sure. Even in Singapore, I really like KL Hokkien Mee. 下雨了. This is my first time trying it in KL. KL food really hits different. You really can taste the wok hei and that thick black sauce gravy. Ooh. Oh, when you get the crunchy bits of the pork lard, oh, tastes like heaven.
Now we're gonna go back to our kitchen and recreate it.
Today I'm gonna show you how to make KL style Hokkien Mee in 30 minutes. Look at the prawns today. I got it from the market. It's huge. Okay, but I need to try the Hokkien. Woo. Sotong. Whole set.